Hi everyone, the Home Service Pro here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your bath fan cover. As you can see, it's cracked and it needs to be replaced. So let's get started. Alright guys, so to take the old cover off, there should be two tabs on the side here that you just gotta push in, and it should pop right out. So those were the tabs that I'm talking about. And as you can see, there's that big crack in there. Next, you want to make sure that the power is off to your light. And you're going to take your light bulb out. So there's that. And then as you can see, there's that nut right there. You're going to want to loosen that up to get this whole thing to come down. Right, so there's that. It should come down. There it is. I'm just going to take the trim out from here. Just like that. And as you can see, it's pretty dusty up in there. So I'm going to go clean this up and we will be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I just came back from cleaning up the fan area and the light fixture. We just got to plug it back in. So as you can see, there's an outlet right there. All you got to do is plug it in. All right, now that we got that plugged in, I was able to find an exact replacement to the light cover and trim at Menards. So we'll get this opened up. And get it installed here. So this is what it looks like when you first get it. You're just going to want to pop the light cover off of it here. So you just have the trim. Now that you have the trim, all you're going to want to do is weave it up through here and line it up. Just like that. And then you're going to want to line it up here in the ceiling. And you have your screw right there. And remember that nut that we used before. We're just going to tighten that down. Make sure you still hang on to this. There you go. Now, you're going to re-screw in your light bulb here. There you go. And now you just have to put your light cover back on. So line it up with those two side tabs and pop it in. There you go. All right guys, so we replaced the old cracked light cover. We cleaned everything up. Let's see how it works. The light works and the fan works. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and we really appreciate your support. Have a great day and remember, you got this. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys.